Hey guys, it's me, Savvy. In today's video, I'm gonna be unboxing the Target beauty box. So let's see what we got in here. This box is $7 a month, but it's not a subscription. You can go on there and get the ones you want. This one's called Clean Up Your Routine. From ingredient conscious formulas and recycled packaging, there's no better way to give your beauty routine a clean start. So that's the theme of this box. When we get $3 off a beauty purchase of $15 or more. That's kind of cool. What do we get? Ooh. Oh dang, we got lots of stuff in here. Cool. We got some, oh, I love this stuff. Some, must smell so good. Some coconut oil body lotion. In this brand, Palmer's. They have really good stretch mark cream. Then we have this oil cocktail for normal to dry skin. Contains vitamin C, A, B, E. For replenishment of the skin. Then we have this that has a $2 coupon. Which, let's see, we got this Love Home and Planet laundry detergent. So lavender and argan oil. Does 10 loads. So I have 10 loads of laundry that I can do. This must be known I've been doing laundry the last couple weeks. Next is this shower sheets large body wipe. It cleanses and deodorizes. Probably keep that in your purse in case you start feeling all sweaty. Next is this Clean Day hand soap. A little cute hand soap, travel size. Next are these cotton rounds. There's 2 of them. I mean, not bad for $7. Next is this Pure Glow cleansing balm with vitamin C. Massage gently onto wet skin. Rinse with lukewarm water. For external use only. So, I guess you just put it over your skin and then wash it off. Kind of like a body wash. Next is this Native Charcoal deodorant. I've heard this one's really good because it doesn't contain like the aluminum and stuff. So, it doesn't really have a smell, but I've heard it's really good, so that's awesome to have. And last is this Pearly White Zen toothpaste by Burt's Bees with another coupon for $1 off. So, yeah, and that was all that was in there. So, I hope you enjoyed this Target unboxing video. I might get a couple more sometime down the road, maybe like every couple months, just to keep like the little, whatchamacallit, travel size products and stuff in there. But yeah, not bad. I'm excited to try the toothpaste and the deodorant and the laundry soap. So, yeah. Bye, guys.